If you've been looking for a simple way to set up email templates in TeamGate CRM, you're in the right place. This quick guide will walk you through everything you need to know, and by the end, you'll have a clear understanding of how to leverage TeamGate's email template feature to save time and enhance your outreach. First, let's talk about why setting up email templates in TeamGate CRM is such a great idea. It allows you to create consistent, professional emails that can be sent out to clients or leads without having to type the same content over and over. If you're handling a lot of communication, this is a real time saver. The email templates can be customized to fit your business's needs, ensuring a personal touch without the repetitive effort. The next thing you'll want to know is how to actually set up these templates. Start by logging into your TeamGate CRM account. Once you're in, head over to the Settings tab. From there, you'll find an option called Email Templates. Click on it and you're in the right place to start building. Now, for the third thing, creating a new email template is really easy. You'll see a button that says Create Template. Click on it and you'll be presented with a blank canvas to design your email. You can give your template a name, select a subject line, and then craft the body of the email. This is where the magic happens. You can include dynamic fields like the recipient's name or company, making each email feel customized even though it's templated. The fourth thing you'll want to do is take advantage of the customization options TeamGate provides. You can format the text, include links, or even add attachments. One feature worth mentioning is the ability to use personalization tokens, which can automatically pull in data from your CRM to make each email even more relevant to the recipient. Next thing, you'll need to save your template. TeamGate makes this simple by having a Save Template button right at the bottom. Once saved, you can always come back and edit it if needed. You'll also be able to access any of your saved templates from the Email Template section. The sixth thing to note is using your email templates in your daily workflow. Whether you're reaching out to new leads or following up with current clients, the email templates are right at your fingertips. In the email composition section, simply click on the Insert Template button, choose the one you want, and it will automatically fill in the message for you. No more copy pasting. Finally, let's talk about what makes TeamGate CRM stand out from other CRM systems. While it's definitely user-friendly and helps streamline your email communication, some users have found it lacking in more advanced features for larger teams or more complex workflows. So, if you're looking for something with more robust capabilities or better email automation, there are alternatives worth considering. Speaking of alternatives, if you're looking for more advanced features or a more comprehensive CRM solution, we've got a great recommendation for you. You can get an exclusive and extended free trial to this alternative software through our link. Not only will you have access to a better solution for your needs, but you'll also be able to enjoy amazing benefits that you won't find anywhere else. We've got your back with the best free trial and exclusive perks just for our viewers. In conclusion, while TeamGate CRM's email templates feature is fantastic for saving time on repetitive tasks, there are even better options out there. The alternative I've mentioned provides more advanced functionalities that might be a better fit for your goals. Make sure to check out the link in the description for your exclusive offer.